Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Happy Sunday morning. I have a quick $1 haul here I wanted to share with you. I have the box on the floor because I just don't like to have that on my counter. So let me show you what I picked up here. Okay, I got this Beatles t-shirt. This was $5. Comes in a 50th anniversary box. The Beatles, bravado.com, and it was $5. So I thought that was pretty neat. They had some, I actually have I placed 2 orders because with the discount codes, it just worked out better. I got a better deal. So there is some more stuff coming, but these are 3-pack Hallmark gift bags, and these were, I believe, $2 for 3 of them. So I got those because those are great for teachers' gifts and things. And then I believe these were $1 or $2 for 5. I think that's what it was, $2 for 5. These are also Hallmark, and these are great depending on what you're giving them. If you're giving a gift card or something, those are great. They even have little gift card bags, but sometimes they're too small and they get lost. And then I got these letterboard words, and let's see, includes 4. You get adventure, explore, wander, travel. And they had a few different types of these. Those were $1. And then I got pair of thieves. These are mother and child socks, really nice socks. These were, I think, $2. Amazing breathability, moisture wicking, performance cotton blend, and so it's woman sizes 6 to 10, and then there's a kid size 18 months to 3 years. So those are kind of cute. Those are from Pair of Thieves. And then they have these, let's see, Wonder Shop. These are from Target. Gift tags, and these are $1.30, were $1.30 at Target, but they were $1, and I just thought they looked really nice. And there's 21 in there, and I got 2 of those. And then I got these socks, which I think are also from, I believe these are also from Target. And these are knee socks, shoe size 6 to 12, Star Wars theme. They were $1. I have another pack of the 5 for $2 gift bags there from Hallmark, and another pack of the socks. I got this, you might remember I hauled one of these for my daughter for Christmas. At that time they were completely out of them, but I got this for my son, my older son, of course. I just think it's funny for him, so I'm going to give that to him, the bear. And these Gerber booties with the elephants. They also had ones with footballs. These were $2, and these are that, you know, like the minky kind of plush. Picked up a set of those. Okay. I picked up the Cat and Jack. These are the fashion tights, kind of Halloween-y design with the knee detail. 1 pair, 2T to 3T, and I believe these were $1. And then this was the special that they had, which is this Marvel. Let me open it up. This Marvel watch. This was $1. And it's Ant-Man. And so, pretty nice for $1. Well made to have on hand for gifts and everything. You've got metal there, a little Ant-Man tag. Okay, so I just thought that was cute. And I do have another one of those coming in the other order. Oops, and it comes slightly mean. It comes in this nice case, and these are great too to keep, because like last year, I gave a bunch of watches at that time they had frozen, and they were like $2, and they came in nice packages, and we ordered a bunch of those and gave those to the toy drive at school. But these are great to, you know, get and give to a toy drive. And then this, not that I'm rushing summer because I really don't want summer to go away, but this was $2. This is a great gift as well. The Story of Christmas storybook set and advent calendar. And in there, there's a little ornament every day where you can hang that on the tree. And it's very, very cute, very nice. A delightful holiday keepsake, and it's by Workman Publishing. The retail on this is $16.99, but they have these for $2, guys. $2. Okay, and then this really cute Snoopy Valentine's Day card. And this was $1. It was $1, yeah. And they have them for like all over, but look at that. It retails for $6.59 at Hallmark. And very nice card there. So yeah, great to order and stock up on those. And that is that, guys. That's that order. So thank you so much for watching. I want to share with you in another video some of the new books that I've received. I received a lot of books, but I'm going to share with you a few, and that will probably be upcoming giveaways and whatnot in other videos. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye now.